Okay guys, so I forgot on the last video just to say don't forget, keep saving. So hit your Command S button and click OK. Alright, so now we've got our outline shape, our outline trace, and we've got our components inside. What we've got to transfer is all of our surface detail, okay? In other words, the eyes, the beak, and the mouth, and so on, okay? So to do that, I'm going to pretty much use my spline tool again. So let's go ahead and choose that. Just make sure you're editing your My Drawing, you're not on the sketch, okay? Always worth checking that. If in doubt, ask me. And then when we go to do our drawing, one of the things you want to be careful about is trying to make sure that lines actually connect with lines. So I want to zoom in so that I can be sure when I click down here, I'm actually on the blue line, all right? So I'm using my trackpad to zoom in and out quite a lot. I keep going out and then in. And I'm going to stop at that point there, I think, okay, where that connection is, and just press my enter. So you click and then press enter. That's going to finish that spline. You see, I'm no longer dragging my spline line. The advantage of doing that is it just means that that spline is not too long. The outside one is quite easy, really, to do in one go. It doesn't have to be, but it's quite easy. But for these inside ones, because there's so many twists and turns, it will get a bit tricky, okay? So I'm just going to do short, sharp splines and do work that way. So I'm going to click again. I'm going to make sure that I'm actually jumping onto that. It should automatically jump, and that's nice and straight. So it's just a click, press enter to do that one there. Then I'm going to zoom out, zoom in, make sure my spline tool's still on, snap to it, and then start drawing that line around there. And for that one, I'd probably put in about 4 points, something like that. And when I get into that corner, again, it's probably easiest just to click, press enter, and snap that little line in. Okay, and keep working your way around exactly like that, making sure that where there's a joint, you're actually connecting them up. Okay, so each time I'm doing that little snap, I'm zooming in so I can get a nice clear view of what's going on and where I want to do that snap, where I want to do that one, or that click rather. And obviously you don't want to put in more than you need, but there you go, that would be enough. 3 or 4 around a piece like that with a little curve, and just keep working around every single bit of detail that you want. Okay, don't forget, every few minutes, Command S, okay, and then carry on, just in case something nasty happens. All right, well done.